My friend's mother called me and she is calling me since I am childhood. So what will I think of her in my natal chart? She is like a mother to me and she is also not a young lady. So that I can see where is moon is in my natal chart because moon will represent woman and moon will also represent female relations in native life. Moon in astrology is the ruler of Cancer. The moon represents our deepest personal needs, our basic habits and reactions, and our unconscious and subconscious mind. Where the sun acts, the moon reacts. How do we instinctively react or respond to problems? What do we feel when we need for a sense of security? Got to know these answers? Then look to the moon in your natal chart for answers. The moon is associated with the mother and with the feminine energy in general. The moon is both our inner child and our inner mother. It is responsive, receptive, and reflective. The moon is our spontaneous and instinctual reactions. Just as the moon circles the sun in a symbolically protective manner and reflects the sunlight, the moon in our chart shows how we protect ourselves as well as make ourselves feel secure, comfortable, and safe. We can also think of the moon as that which gives us animation. It rules rhythmic ebb and flow of activity and energy. The moon is a mediator between the inner world and the outer world. While the sun is rational, the moon is irrational. Habitual behaviors and are ruled by the moon. For some of us, our moon seems to drive our personalities more than the sun does. This is the particularly true if the moon is in watery sign like Cancer, Scorpion, or Pisces, or if it is conjunct an angle in the chart that is near the ascendant, descendant, fourth house cusp, or the 10th house cusp. Fortune, happiness in our life. It is wise to neither give your moon too much or not too importance in your life. But if you think practically and if you want your life to be what you are, to be what you want, then you have to think through your mind and not through your heart. Is it true? Absolutely not. See, because this world is predominantly means this world is basically we think whatever thing that we want to achieve in our life through our head, but we don't think anything with our mind, that is our heart. But the fact, the reality of the matrix is if you follow your heart, that is your moon, and not your mind, that is your sun, that is Saturn, then you are going to achieve everything in your life. Because this world is ruled by the head as the principal organ. Because we are always comparing ourselves through our consciousness and not through our unconsciousness, that is our subconscious mind and mood. But the fact is that if you follow yourself through your subconsciousness, because the way that we perceive our life is through consciousness, that is our sun and that is Saturn. But the matrix of the universe is run by the subconsciousness, that is the moon. That is why we see so many people unhappy, so many people not living the life that they should live, that they want throughout their life. The basic thing is that they do not are able to live the life that they want because they think themselves only through the eyes of other people, because they think consciously how this will be possible. But without of thinking then how it will be possible, because moon is irrational. Moon will not see that how it will be possible. It will just see that what do you want. So the reality of the universe is that if you want something, that you have not to think it consciously that how you will gain it, but you should think it that you have already got it. That is the moon. And that, in a way, if the world we perceive, if we think it as making our heart as a predominant and the main head of the body organ, then we will achieve everything and there won't be any unhappiness. So that is moon in your natal chart. In the natal chart, the position of the moon by sign shows how we emote and respond to our environment as well as our instinctual habits, especially in our homes and in private. By house, the moon's position shows which area of life we feel the most at home or comfortable. The moon sign, house, and phase can tell you a lot about your emotional instincts and habits. Do you know why the dasa system, or why this Vimsotari dasa system? See, this whole act of predicting an event that I was just talking before, it is dependent upon the position of your moon at the time of your birth time. So the degree, the minute, the second that your moon is in your birth chart will tell you your story of your life, at what time you will experience what event in your life, that is decided through moon. So that is the scientific fact, that if you follow your heart, if you make your heart as a principal organ and not your head as a principal organ, then you will achieve everything in your life. But the whole world, the thinking of the consciousness of the people is that brain is the main original organ of the body and heart is only a part of it. But that is not the way the universe operates. The matrix of the universe is going to give you only what you think through your heart, and the logic you do not have to think. That is moon. So there is more to discover about moon. Just follow my uh, videos, and obviously you can check your moon sign. If you don't know, then just following on the link below, you can check your moon sign at www.freevedicastrology.yolasite.com. You will get to know about your moon sign. You will get to know about your instinct, your habitual habits, your patterns of your mental life and your emotional life. Just follow me and subscribe me and watch my more videos for moon